Okay, making pie crust using so I'm measuring out 1.5 cup. This is 1 cup here. It calls for 1.5 cup, but then I just changed my mind due to the fact that I gotta get my baking tray, my baking bowl, and I don't think 1.5 cup will work. So I'm gonna do 2 cups now. I mean 3 cups now. That's my baking pie thing there, and I don't think 1.5 cup will be sufficient. Okay, I got the closest I can to getting it to flour. Alright, I already add salt, a pinch of salt, sugar, nutmeg, and allspice. My first ever, well, second pie crust. Made from those. Making a pumpkin pie. I made a huge mistake. I went ahead and tasted the pumpkin puree. It didn't taste too hot. So I add some sugar and peanut butter. About 3/4 cups of peanut butter and a pinch of sugar. I did add a little bit of nutmeg to it as well. The crust is in the oven. It should be ready to be taken out in the next minute or so. It's piping hot. Smells amazing too. Taste it with your eyes. Remember, we work for comments, likes, and shares. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Flattening out my filling. says I need to bake it at like 450 for 15 minutes, then drop it to 325, 350, roughly between there. If I had known this, I would never have done it. Says depending on the size of the baking pan, it can go from 50 minutes to an hour requiring for it to bake and be finished. Was not expecting that. It also says I can stick a knife in there roughly about the center, and once I extract the knife, if it's dry, then the pie is finished. Five more minutes and it will be 15 minutes. One more minute and the five minutes, now the 15 minutes is up. 5 minutes is gone. I'm not taking any chances. I just went ahead before the 15 minutes, just change the temperature. Coming up on 50 something minutes, like 51 or 52 minutes. So it seems like this will take the full hour for it to cook.